Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So, let's start. Okay, let's see the Korean word for country, and that is Nara. Nara. Now, let's see the Korean word for tea, and that is cha. Cha. Now let's see what is the Korean word for onion, and that is 양파. 양파. Alright, now let's see the Korean word for fever, and that is 열. 열. Now comes the Korean word for police station, and that is 경찰서. 경찰서. Alright, next comes the Korean word for bread, and that is 빵. 빵. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for capital city, and that is 수도. 수도. We all know the capital city of South Korea is Seoul. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for cow, and that is so. So, very easy to remember. Now comes the Korean word for a present or gift, and that is 선물. 선물. Next comes the Korean word for bird, and that is 새. 새. Okay, so today we learned 10 very easy Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.